How to get started with Binance. So the first thing you'll need to do is create an account, and you can do that by heading to binance.com and then click on the sign up button here, and then you will need to enter an email address or a phone number without the country code, or you can use one of these methods below to sign up for an account. And then you will need to download and install the Binance app on your mobile device and simply sign into your account. Now, when you first sign in, it should ask you to verify your account or your identity by completing the KYC process. And if it doesn't show up, you can access that by pressing the three horizontal lines here. And then you want to click on your profile logo. And from here, you can access the verifications by clicking on the verifications button here. And if you're verified, you should see it next to it that you're verified. If you're missing verification, it should tell you here. And the next step you'll need to do is set up a two-factor authentication to secure your account. You can set it up later if you want to from the settings. And the next thing you'll need to do is deposit funds into your Binance account. You can click on the home page here by clicking home from the bottom and then add funds. Now from this drop down here, you want to select the currency. So for example, you can search for USD, for US dollars. And then you want to click on deposit USD. Now you want to select your payment option. So for example, you can use bank transfer or card or Google Pay. And then you want to press continue. Next, you want to specify the amount that you want to deposit. So for example, $50 and complete the payment. And that should add the money to your Binance wallet, which you can access it by pressing the wallet from the top, which is this one here. And then you can use the money to actually buy crypto, or you can do it directly by going to assets. And from here, look for the crypto that you want to buy, and you can buy it from here. The second method is go back to the home page, switch to exchange. And if you click on add funds again and click on the view more here, you can select buy with USD. And this should basically allow you to select the crypto that you want to buy. For example, you can buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever crypto. Specify the amount in dollars. For example, you want to pay $500 and you would receive the equivalent of crypto. Click on preview order. And then it will ask you to enter your card code or whatever payment option that you chose. And then you can complete the payment process. And this should credit the crypto to your account. And you can see your crypto account or all the crypto that you're holding by going to assets. So if you go back home page and then click on assets, you should find by clicking the overview from the top, you should find the total balance. You can also switch between features, spots, funding, and it should display all the crypto you're holding. And now you can basically just learn basic features such as spot trading features and P2P trading, where you usually buy and sell crypto, or trade with leverage, which is usually high risk, or you can trade with P2P, which means directly trading with other people. You can basically buy low and sell high. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.